Hey friends, on today's episode, we're going to make vanilla extract. You need 2 ingredients, vanilla beans and alcohol. To start out, we're going to put 3 beans in each jar. Each end has a curly end and a straight end, and I like to take the curly end off because this tends to be more on the dry side. Now we're going to split each bean open by cutting it in half lengthways. You don't have to cut them in half fully, you just want to open them up. And depending on how supple your beans are will depend on how easily this process goes. My beans are on the drier side. Now I've washed and sanitized each of my jars, and now we're going to place our vanilla pods in each jar, and then using a funnel we're going to pour our alcohol in there. I'm using bourbon, but you can use vodka if you'd like. You don't need an expensive bottle. Bottom shelf liquor will do just fine. Again, this is an extract, we're not drinking it, although if you wanted to use it in a cocktail, it would be perfectly fine for that as well. Now some of these jars will be given away as gifts and the others are from my own personal stash. To me, the longer you allow them to sit, the better they are, and they will also darken over time. So if you made it in the month of October, it would be perfect for Christmas. Now after you bottle them up, just give them a little shake to help release the seeds into the alcohol. For the bottles that I'm giving away as gifts, I purchased these tamper-proof neck bands. They have a perforation, so just make sure that you don't place that over the metal closure. I'm also using a heat gun, but you could use a hair dryer as well. Now be mindful that if you use a heat gun, if you're too close, you'll create a hole in the plastic, so just keep that in mind. I ordered these cute little gift tags. I thought they were fun for the bottles. You could also print a label for the front. It's really up to you, but I think it makes a cute little gift. Well, that's it for this week, guys. Thank you again for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, make sure you hit that bell, and don't forget to give your vanilla a shake.